Good morning, everybody. On YouTube, Steve here with Raiken Profit. Early morning, drinking a little hot green tea, and I'm feeling pretty tired right now. But I want to welcome you to another vlog, to another day in the life video. Today, I'm actually meeting up with somebody, a good friend, and the actual person who hooked me up with this amazing Brooks Brothers hat. So I'm meeting up with Greg, the valet picker, today. He's in, I believe he's from Massachusetts, I want to say, and obviously I live in Connecticut, so he's going to be coming out to me today again, and we're going to be hitting up some thrift stores. We're going to be starting at the Salvation Army, going to Goodwill, Savers. I'm going to see if I can get him to go into some pawn shops with me, because I've got that itch to go hit the pawn shops. But I'm going to bring you guys along on another vlog, day in the life video, and kind of show you guys behind the scenes what we're buying, interact with you guys, and have some fun. So without further ado, if you're ready to rock and roll, I'm going to try to wake up, and let's go hit some sales. Almost forgot that I sold a nice baseball glove for $125, so printing out an eBay label right now, which is pretty cool. Make sure to ship on time, guys. You do not want to get that defect rate hurting. Alright, so I'm just pulling up to my first location over here in Vernon, Connecticut, the Salvation Army, the family store. This is actually the store I was at in the Connecticut meetup when that woman went absolutely ape-ish all over me. So I'm going to see if she's in here. If she's here, I'm going to say, "Hey, what up, babe?" No, I'm not going to say that. She's frightened the heck out of me. But anyways, guys, let's go inside and see what we find, and I'll update you soon. All right, so I just left Salvation Army. Got a whole bunch of books in there, books and books, and then a really nice, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a Pico, a Ralph Lauren Pico in there. This guy over here, what's going on, man? Who we got?
Hey, Greg the Valley Picker, what's going on?
All right, so I just realized that last clip actually got cut off. I had to delete some videos off my memory card, but let's talk to Valet Picker real quick. Hey, man, we didn't get that last clip, man. Can you come over here real quick?
Yeah.
What did you end up finding over at Salvation Army that I passed up on?
Yeah, TI-83 calculator.
Wow. And I just walked right by. I didn't even know it was there.
$3.99, I believe.
I wonder how many times we've walked by things and the next guy just came and scooped it up. So,
gotta always keep our eyes open, you know?
Where are we at, Valet Picker?
We're at the Manchester, Connecticut Goodwill. Small location, but very profitable most days.
Awesome. So we're going to go in there, try to find some stuff. Make sure to go subscribe to this guy, the Valet Picker on YouTube. He's got new content coming all the time. Let's do this. All right, so we just left Goodwill over here in Manchester, Connecticut. I only found 4 books. Valet Picker's going to be rolling with me. He's got some, what do you got, man? Some stuff you're going to be shipping off to
Amazon FBA.
Is that an FBA shipment right there?
Yeah, 19 items.
Awesome, man. And I've got mine over here. I've got a FBA box and an eBay item that I sold. So, yeah. Get in the car, man. You ready to hustle and make some money?
So ready. Last Savers, did we do so well?
Man, all I found was Charades for Kids board game. I paid $2.99 and it was going for, I think, $25. Had a decent rank of about 100,000 in toys, which is respectable. And you found, what, one clothing item?
Well, the jeans were 50% off, so I popped on a pair of jeans and I bought 2 CDs. I should profit about $5 on each.
Yeah, it's always a good opportunity at Savers when you're transitioning from, like, you know, winter to spring, or from spring to winter or fall or whatever. They always seem to give some really good sales where they'll blow everything out for like 50%. Right. So if you guys are near Savers, definitely hit up Savers. And what about those punch cards? Do you use the punch cards?
I do, but I usually spend over $100 before I'll use the punch card. Because it's 30% off, so I'd rather get my more bang for the buck, you know. It
kills me when I see somebody use a 30% off punch card for like 10 or 11 bucks. My mom did it the other day. I'm like, no, why are you doing that? Wait. But you know what? To each their own.
That's right.
So we're headed over to, where are we going right now?
Yeah, Berlin Turnpike, Newington, Connecticut. We might hit some pawn shops. We're definitely going to hit some thrift stores.
All right, guys. So we actually stopped at the pawn shop over here, Yankee Peddler and Pawn, East Hartford, Connecticut, and I popped super hard. How'd you do, Greg?
I got a Larry Johnson swingman jersey.
Woo!
Yeah, check this out. I love this one.
Talk to the people about that, man. I don't know anything about this.
Oh, it's an Adidas swingman jersey, hardwood classics right here from the 1992 season. It's retro, obviously.
And what'd you pay for that, and what's the resale?
30. Brand new. It's going for on eBay for 100.
Okay.
More, but I should get about $79.99 on that.
Awesome.
And I got a game, so I might.
What's the deal with this game?
I'd pay $2 for it. It was sealed. I'm just gonna ship it out to Amazon and wait for $5.
What's it going for?
It was going for
15.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
15 19.
Awesome, nice guys. And I popped hard. I spent $162 cash. Between you and I, guys, he probably discounted it like 60%. It was ridiculous. And popped on a bunch of these Xbox Connects. Got about 5 of those with the adventure game. Ended up popping on. Can you pull that camera out and show the guys what I got? Popped on that. Check this out. Got this Casio disc title printer going for $300. I don't know if it's a subcategory. It was ranked like 11, but paid $60. That's going for $300.
Wow.
I don't know if it's going to sell or what, but we'll see. And popped on. This is a camera to be on the lookout for. This is a Canon Elph 110. The 110 series is hot, but this one's super hot. I mean, you touch it, it's going to burn your hand because this color is unique. Hey, Bonafide Hustler, man, if you're watching, because he uses this camera in his vlogs, I bet you've never seen, what is this, like an aqua?
Yeah, it's like a teal aqua.
A teal aqua Canon Elph 110. So that's going for, actually, that was coming in like $220. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get that. It had a 7,000 rank. But yeah, a bunch of games as well. Another game to be on the lookout for. Got this Xbox 360 NCAA 2014. Did you know about this game?
Yeah, definitely. If you weren't getting it, I was going to guess it.
So, hey, man, I missed the calculator. You missed this. That's going for about 40 or 50 probably, and paid 10. So let's go to Savers and let's go pop hard. All right, guys, we're rolling up to the Salvation Army right now. And Greg, what do you think about this store, man?
I like it. There's a lot of clothes.
What we were just talking about, what type of items should you be on the lookout for?
Suits, blazers, Zegna suits.
For $3. You can get it literally, you can get a $200 Zegna suit here that you could resell for $2 to $3. So yeah. Let's go in and pop, man. You pumped up?
So much.
All right, let's go. All right, guys, so it's only been about 10 to 15 minutes since we've been in the store, and I popped on something that I need to get into my car while Greg is shopping, and let me show you what I found. Check this out. I don't know much about it. It's a Steve Bauer bicycle, but it's an aluminum frame. I mean, this thing is super, super light. I mean, the components look pretty decent. Just really nice skinny tires, got the racing seat and everything. So for $19.99, I'm gonna pop in this all day long. I'm not 100% sure what the value is, but aluminum, nice components. I'm gonna jump on this every single day. I'm thinking maybe $100, $150 locally. I've got to do some more research and clean it up. But a beautiful bike right here and just super excited. But now I got to go back inside. All right, so let's try to figure out where Greg is right now. We're going to hunt him down. I know he's going after the deals right now. I think he's popping on clothes. Yep, I see him. So, yeah, I'm not a huge fan of this thrift store in terms of, like, finding profitable product. But you never know. Once in a while you get lucky. Here he is live in the field right now. You finding anything, man?
The Brooks Brothers here. I'm thinking about popping a golden
Ooh, that's beautiful. Show them that tag right there. That's what you want to be on the lookout for.
Yeah, $3.
Awesome.
I'm just looking for flowers. Let me see. But this one's a Jeeves and Hawks, made out of what?
That's like a London brand, right?
London, England, yeah.
Awesome.
$3.
So this is the store right here, guys. Yep. Tons of clothing all over the place. Tons of opportunities. All right, guys, so we're back on the road again. It's about 12:30, and I'm running low on fuel, man. Are you?
Definitely, yeah.
So we're going to go stop at Moe's and get a quick little bite of some Mexican food. I want to know in the comment section right now, leave a comment. For you folks who are into eating at Moe's Mexican food, do you prefer Moe's or do you prefer Chipotle? So put a comment below. But we're going to hit up Moe's, get a bite to eat, and then we're going to hit up Savers, which is right next door on the Berlin Turnpike. So Savers, then we have another Goodwill, and then it's going to be all up in the air. So hopefully you guys have been enjoying this day. Greg, how's your day been going, man?
Very profitable. Having a lot of fun, yep.
Awesome, man. That's what it's all about. And I love the competition, man, going with somebody else. It's that extra drive, that added fuel to find a deal. And there's plenty out there, guys. So go hang out with some local pickers and go make it happen. That's what we're about to do. All right, here we are at Moe's. We're going to get some food, and then we're going to go hit up Savers over here. So let's do this. All right, so we just got done devouring our food, and now Greg and I are walking in, man. The food coma hasn't hit yet, but I'm sure it will about midway through this store. So let's go inside, guys, find some books, find some electronics, find some deals. Let's make it happen. So here we are inside of Savers. Just found another one of my picker hustler friends in here. Let's see if we can find some deals. All right, so this is what we got. We got a bunch of books right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what did you end up popping on, man?
32,000 rank.
32,000 rank.
4, gonna profit 4.
German? Is that what it's pronounced?
I have no idea.
German?
Could be.
Is he German? $3.99. Did you rip off the tag, man?
I did.
You ripped off the tag.
All right, we just left the Savers in Manchester, Connecticut. No, where are we? Newington, Connecticut, right?
We left the one in Newington.
Just left the Savers in Newington, Connecticut, yep. And we're headed to Goodwill, which is small, but it's profitable most days. And yeah,
The books are pretty good over at this one over here. But I was saying in the clip before, I don't know if it's going to get into this video or not, but the competition was over here at Savers, my buddy over here. And he's actually the one who, I took a picture of him when he was back-to-back with my mom scanning books, and I posted that on my Facebook, showing like Mama Profits versus the competition. He was here. I said what up to him. I told him to back the F off. No, I'm just kidding. He's my boy though. But hopefully he didn't go over here and hit the books. I'm hoping that he didn't go to Goodwill. We're over at Goodwill. All right, guys, so we just got back into the car from Goodwill, and I ended up popping on about 9 or 10 books. And one thing I want to say to you guys is don't judge a thrift store too quickly. Don't go in and say, oh, there's nothing in here. I've done this before. Have you, where you go in and you're like, oh, this is crap.
Yeah, you got to take your time. You got to relax, breathe a little bit. There's money to be made everywhere.
Definitely breathe, because I went through, I actually slid through the book section real quick, and I didn't see anything, and I was like thinking negative, and then like, I don't know, like you were doing your thing, so I'm like, I'm gonna scan some more, and I pulled like 9 or 10 more books out. Just everywhere. You've got to scan. If you just sit there and just look at books, you ain't gonna make any money. You got to scan them, even the ones that don't look that interesting or maybe they're not unique. I picked a book out of Savers today. It was about how to be a mime. Not everything's gonna be that unique. All right, so Greg, what did you find, man?
I saw this immediately. I used to collect high school yearbooks, but specifically of celebrity high school yearbooks. So I saw this, and it's a 1962 Ohio State University college yearbook. And I'm going to do a little bit more research. Maybe, you know, a celebrity went to college this year, and with a little bit more research, this yearbook is worth probably about $10 to $20 more if someone famous went to this year. But regardless, with no research, it was still going for $40 on eBay all day long. There was like 2 or 3 completed listings, so $40 all day. Anyways, I paid $5.32.
That's cool. That's really cool, man. And now, what would you do? What advice would you give to somebody who maybe they find an old yearbook? How do you do research to find out if there is a celebrity that would be in here?
Yeah, just Google. Google is the best way to go on that. I don't have any really tips for that.
Yeah,
but yeah, Google. I can do a quick search of this.
Have you ever found you said you collected it, so obviously you have, but you've like give an example of like a celebrity's yearbook that you found before in the past.
Not at a thrift store.
Oh, not at a thrift store.
No, I'd have to source that off eBay.
Oh, okay.
I have Betty White, Mr. Rogers, which
really?
Is a cool item. Randy Moss, football player.
You do not have Randy Moss. Oh, yeah. What did he look like, man?
Same.
Yeah?
Yeah, definitely. Bald
Holy mackerel. Yeah. That's cool. So, all right, that's a really good tip right there.
Yeah.
Cool find. This is what we're looking like in the car right now. We got a bike. I need some water. I'm so dehydrated after that Mexican food. But what do you want to do, man? Do you want to go to some more thrift stores? Or?
Hey, I'm open all day. Yeah, let's definitely.
All right, let's figure something out. All right, so we're over here in Meriden, Connecticut, zooming in at Savers. You see that, man? Look at the camera, bro. You see that?
I can see it.
Look at that. We're here. We're at Savers. So, how you feeling, man?
Feeling really good. Gonna get some money.
Yeah, you got energy?
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
I feel like I'm running a little low.
Really?
I don't know, man. I guess I know. Anyways, let's go inside. Let's make it happen. So we're over here looking through some clothes, man. What are you looking at right here, man?
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the same size.
Check these things out. How much they want for them?
$10 a piece.
Oh, 10. But you do have your 30% off as well.
Forgot about that.
So let me know in the comments, guys. Would you pop on this? 5 Robert Talbot custom made. I believe that's what means bespoke. It's custom made. 5 of them. These are beautiful, man.
Yeah, they really are.
Those are really nice.
I'll let them together. Get it like about.
Oh, you see that little man? Too bad, $10 though. Charles Tire win. We scored big time over at Savers. I got some Church's shoes, some Barney tapes, books, puzzles. What do you got in here, man?
All right, up. Look at all the new games I got.
Wow, look at that, man.
Video games, CDs,
scored
all that.
Big, man. And we just beat the competition. Competition came in like 1 minute after, so that's what I'm talking about.
You guys know about the handheld games?
Oh, yeah.
I love these.
Valet Picker just said it looked like I was going grocery shopping right now. I got everything in here but fruits and vegetables. Hey, man, vegans don't eat eggs.
Oh, man, I didn't know that.
Get out of here walking home.
So we just had a goal to go inside and make $100 profit. I think we definitely.
I forgot about that goal. It feels so long ago.
Yeah, I saw a $3 Zegna earlier. We're secreting ourselves. You know, we're talking about it and being about it.
It was the double-breasted one, right?
Yeah.
But it had the button that was ripping off.
You saw it too. $3. Anyway, so we went in to profit $100 at Savers, and I think we definitely did that.
Do you think you did?
Oh, definitely. Yeah. Got a bunch of sealed games.
That thing is sweet, man. Whatever that is.
Yeah, it's like a $40.
That is really
shirt.
cool. I think you made 100, man. I think you did for sure. I know. I think I hit 200.
Yeah, you definitely did.
So yeah, let's there's some pawn shops down that way. Let's go over there and keep moving. All right, guys, so we're done thrifting, and I want to show you what we're about to eat. This is for Greg. He's in the bathroom right now, but I've got some white rice with some green beans. I'm telling you right now, let me zoom in. This is the most delicious meal ever. I know to some of you it might look plain, but look at it. Look at the steam. Look at the color. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that. Now look at that. Now look at that. How'd you do thrifting today?
We did very good.
If you have to,
very profitable.
yeah, very profit. If you have to estimate how much profit you think you made,
500.
Awesome. So we want to thank you guys for watching. We're going to dive into our meal. It was a ton of fun. Be sure to check out Greg the Valet Picker on YouTube. Anywhere else they can follow you?
Yeah, Periscope, definitely.
Periscope at what?
The Valet
Picker. So check them out. Yep. Thanks for watching this vlog, A Day in a Life. We'll see you guys soon, and keep up and making that money. Peace. I picked a book out of Savers today. It was about how to be a mime. Not everything's going to be that unique, but sometimes you'll find a book. There's nothing even sexy about it, but it brings in those sexy profits. That's going to get edited out. How do I start getting sexual with books? I don't know how. Man, I need a girlfriend. All right, guys. So, hold on. Okay. Picture of him when he was back to back with my mom scanning books, and I posted that on my Facebook, showing like mama profits versus the competition. He was here. I said what up to him. I told him to back the F off. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know if that's gonna go in the video. There, who is just starting in their reselling adventures. Maybe you've only been reselling for a month or a couple weeks, or maybe you haven't even gotten started. But really what I want to talk about is the person who's gotten started, they're brand spanking new, and they just don't know if they can make it in the reselling business. Maybe they're saying to themselves, you know, there's no money to be made, or the competition is just too steep, or maybe this isn't for me, and you're feeling like quitting. I kind of want to talk to you and give you some advice right now.